Right, now that my creative juices are flowing, let's get down to business. Vaccines cause autism. Don't vaccinate your children. You will regret it. I know very much about vaccines and they're evil. What?
I have to return some videotapes.
What is pseudoscience? Pseudoscience consists of statements, beliefs, or practices that claim to be both scientific and factual but are incompatible with the scientific method. Pseudoscience is often characterized by contradictory, exaggerated, or unfalsified claims, reliance on confirmation bias rather than rigid attempts of refutation. A big contributor to pseudoscience is the amount of scientific illiteracy. What does it mean to be scientifically literate? Be able to understand scientific facts, be able to determine answers based on observations, and determine the quality of scientific information. Only 59% of Aussies know that the Earth takes 1 year to revolve around the sun. The tactic that people use to push pseudoscience is cherry-picking papers. I have this one paper from 1998 by Andrew Wakefield linking the additive in the measles, mumps and rubella virus to autism. I have multiple papers saying there is no link between vaccines and autism. Another tactic for pushing pseudoscience is fake expert. I'm a PhD scientist and I've seen the clear link between autism and vaccinating. Get out here, you psychologist. Another tactic used by pseudoscientists is making claims that lack scientific consensus. I vaccinated my 3-month-old baby and a week later he died from heart failure. Clearly there's a link between my child's death and the vaccinations. There's a lot of circumstantial evidence which could have caused the death of a child, but it mainly depends on genetics, environment, and maybe pre-existing medical conditions. Another tactic used by pushers of pseudoscience is to question the integrity of the scientists and logical fallacies. Why should I listen to you? You voted for Labour. You're just as corrupt and full of BS as those politicians. This logical fallacy is known as a red herring, and it's used to distract from the important and relevant issue at hand. The ideological and political beliefs of the person communicating the information and the facts is irrelevant. As long as the information is verified and correct, it doesn't matter who says it. Pseudoscience is a very dangerous thing because the spread of misinformation can have a lot of implications. It can threaten people's welfare and it can even threaten people's lives. For example, with vaccines, people spreading misinformation saying that vaccines cause autism and have a host of negative effects upon that person is dangerous for the public because you become a public safety hazard from not vaccinating, and everyone, because of you, is suffering.